Hi, I'm Rachel, and in this tutorial, I want to show you how to paint flowers in the Impressionist style using the Color Therapy app. Impressionism is a fun, abstract style of painting a subject with quick strokes of color. The key is to not worry about realism or getting details right. It is more about capturing the essence of the subject quickly with colors. If you would like to use the same image I'm using, go into the Classic tab, scroll to Love, and then it's going to be under My Valentine, and it's the first image. So let's begin by opening up the color palette and choosing our colors for this bouquet. So under the Essential palette, I'm gonna scroll over to Lullaby. I really like these colors because they're bright, they're perfect for a flower bouquet. Make sure it's set to solid, and I'm just gonna choose a variety of colors. So a purple, a pink, a light pink, a green, a light green, and maybe a turquoise and a mauve color. I'll also want to choose this orange color and yellow. And then in the Basic tab, I'll choose a white and then the pale yellow for highlights. So I recommend using the flat brush. So in the manual mode, select flat brush. Now the flat brush is perfect for the Impressionist style because it mimics the same type of brush you would use. So I would leave the opacity at 100 and the size I would raise to about 40% because you do want to have a thick brush. Before you get started, I recommend adding in blocks of color into the subject first and then adding in all the details. So what we'll do is go to Coloring Inside the Lines mode, set that to off, and then I want to first select a color. So I'm going to use a pink first, and this will be for the roses. So now that the coloring lines are off, I'm just going to block out some color where that rose is. It doesn't matter if it's going over other objects, that's okay. Remember, we just want to capture the essence of this floral bouquet, so it can go over the lines here and there. It doesn't really matter. Now set the Coloring Inside the Lines mode to on, and then zoom in. Now I usually like to work from dark to light, so the first color I'll choose will be that mauve color. And all I'm going to do is just begin to add color into each of the petals. And I'm just doing very quick strokes, as you can see. And it's just going to be on one half. We either do the bottom or the top half of the petal, just to add some color there. And then I'm going to add a next color. So I'll choose that bright pink color I have and do the same thing, but in a different area. So you can see they're very quick strokes, kind of messy. This is an abstract style, so just have fun with it. And next I'll choose a highlight color. So I'll use this bright yellow color. You can use any other highlight color like white or any other light color. Now I'm just going to add some color to the tips of the petals very quickly. Also with Impressionism, the colors are just kind of a quick guess. It's not true to life usually, it's more bright and colorful. So have fun with it. Then if you want to see how you're progressing, go into the Effects tab and then click Lines and remove the lines. Now you can kind of see more what you're doing, and if you need to add more colors here and there, you can. So we're going to apply those same techniques to the rest of the whole bouquet. Remember to be quick with your strokes, and don't worry about details when working in Impressionism. Using a palette of bright colors and not adding in dark shadows is also a good practice, as it aids in the bright and cheerful vibe. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.